This is the OnePlus 13T, the newest release that marks the return of the T series, with a sharp focus on compact design, top-tier performance, and a massive battery for its size. Did OnePlus nail it again? Or is this just another forgettable 2025 launch? Let's break down all the specs and find out if this smartphone is really worth your money. Once it launches globally, you'll find the purchase link right here in the description and pinned comment. Come back to check it out if you're interested. The OnePlus 13T comes in at just 8.15mm thick and 185 grams, making it incredibly comfortable to hold. It has a premium finish and is available in 3 sleek colors: black, gray, and pink. It's also IP65 certified for dust and water resistance. Not the best in the market, but good enough for everyday use. It falls a bit short compared to the IP68 rating of some competitors. A big highlight here is the new customizable shortcut button that replaces the traditional alert slider, letting you launch apps or perform actions quickly. On the front, you get a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display with support for 1 billion colors, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and brightness up to 1600 nits. The adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz ensures silky smooth performance for gaming, scrolling, and even battery saving. It's all protected by Oppo's Crystal Shield glass. The fingerprint reader is under the display. It's optical, not ultrasonic, but it works well. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite, also known as Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition, an octa-core beast reaching up to 4.32 GHz. Paired with the Adreno 830 GPU, this phone handles any app or game without breaking a sweat. You get either 12 GB or 16 GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM, and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or even 1 TB UFS 4.0. There's no microSD slot, but with this much space, you likely won't miss it. And to keep it cool, there's a huge 4,400 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system to prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions. It runs Android 15 with ColorOS 15 in China and OxygenOS 15 for the global market. The UI is clean, fluid, and packed with advanced customization options. OnePlus continues to offer one of the best software experiences around, with smooth animations and minimal bloatware. The camera setup is solid. A 50-megapixel main sensor, Sony IMX906, with OIS, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Both cameras deliver sharp, detailed photos in good lighting conditions. Up front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie cam that performs well. Rear video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second with features like laser autofocus, color spectrum sensor, and HDR. The front camera is limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second, a bit underwhelming for a flagship. One notable omission: there's no ultra-wide camera, which might be a drawback for landscape or group shots. Battery life is a major highlight here. You get a massive 6,260 mAh silicon carbon cell, something rarely seen in compact phones. This capacity easily lasts through a full day of heavy use. It supports 80-watt SUPERVOOC fast charging, getting you back to 100% in minutes. The only downside? No wireless charging, which is becoming standard in this category. You get full 5G support, dual physical nano SIMs plus eSIM 2 active at once, next-gen Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC for contactless payments, and even an infrared blaster for controlling appliances. Stereo speakers deliver solid sound, but there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. The OnePlus 13T launched first in China at surprisingly competitive prices. The 12GB 256GB version starts at 3,399 Chinese yuan, around $446, while the top-tier 16GB 1TB version goes for 4,499 Chinese yuan, about $617. There's no official word on global availability yet, but rumors suggest an international launch in the coming months. The OnePlus 13T stands out as an excellent option for anyone looking for a powerful smartphone in a compact form factor. With a huge battery, flagship-level processor, and ergonomic design, it delivers a true flagship experience without the bulky size. The main drawbacks are the lack of wireless charging, no ultra-wide camera, and lower IP rating, but given the competitive pricing, these are compromises many users might accept. So, what do you think of the OnePlus 13T? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Did this compact powerhouse win you over? If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest releases. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel for exclusive deals. The link's in the description. See you in the next one.